In this video, we learn how to add a QR code in Google Sheets. First, type sheet.new in your browser to open a new sheet. I've already created a sheet and named it QR code in Google Sheet. In the first section, we'll make a QR code for a link. Click on the cell where you want the QR code and paste the formula. You can copy the formula from the description. Press Enter, and your QR code is ready. Now let's make a QR code for text. Paste the same formula in another cell, but change the row number from 2 to 3. Press Enter. Same for the third section. Paste the formula again, change the row number, and press Enter. Now check the QR code using any QR scanner app on your phone. Scan it and see the result. Thanks for watching.